Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use an Amazon gift card to buy Robux. Let's get started. First, go to amazon.com. In the search bar, type Roblox gift card, then choose a digital card amount that fits your budget, add the gift card to your cart, and proceed to checkout. Then, on the checkout page, select Amazon gift card balance as your payment method. If needed, enter your Amazon gift card code and click apply, then place order. And after that, go to roblox.com/redeem and log in. Enter your PIN from your Roblox gift card. Then click redeem. The credit will be added to your account. Then go back to roblox.com and log in. Then click Robux at the top of your screen. Then choose a Robux package that fits your gift card balance. On your payment method screen, select redeem Roblox card. Click submit order. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.